Hello traders, the title of the video is Fast Elliott Wave Count, Netflix and Elliott Wave Count Tips. Alright, so we're going to analyze Netflix stock. I have been asked by a YouTube subscriber to our channel. He did ask me to record a fast tutorial because that particular trader always like a short form tutorial. So I will do that today. Some video will be long, some video will be short. So this is a fast tutorial analyzing Netflix stock. All right. So what are we looking at? So we're going to go quickly. So the quickest way to find to count wave is to go to the yearly chart. And I always have on my yearly chart, okay, you see here the stochastic 833. And you can see that my stochastic 833 is still overbought for a long time. So what I can deduct from this is that probably this session here is the third wave. So that's what I usually deduct when I see the stochastic like this. And you will see that there was some data missing here. So this is the first wave of a higher degree, the second wave of a higher degree on the yearly chart. Now we are now in the third wave of a higher degree. So what I say to trader, anytime you see a third wave with a shadow on top of it, you will say probably the fourth wave is underway. So from the yearly chart, looking at the stochastic and the chart itself, that's what we can deduct now. But there is a warning. This candlestick bar here with the shadow on top of it is not yet closed, because today is the 30th of August. It will be closed at the end of December 2018. So though we are seeing now this shadow here, we need to know that that candlestick bar is not yet closed. So this is what we see. First wave of a higher degree, second wave of a higher degree, third wave of a higher degree, probably the fourth wave of a higher degree is underway. And if that is being formed, we'll have the fourth wave of a higher degree, followed by the fifth wave of a higher degree for Netflix stock. All right? If you go a little bit deeper, which means zooming into the chart to see a little bit more, all right, what is happening behind the scene, though the bigger picture is looking at this, we want to validate our wave count, dropping down to the, I will go straight away to the weekly chart because it's not very clear on the monthly chart. So on the weekly chart, things become a little bit clearer. So this was our first wave of a higher degree, the second wave of a higher degree. Now, we are now in the third wave of a higher degree, and this session here, in my view, is a portion or a section of the anticipated fourth wave of a higher degree. That remains to be seen. Why? Because, all right, you see here, this is the fifth mono wave of the third wave of a higher degree. That the fifth mono wave, okay, can be extended. But if you look carefully, the reason why I'm thinking that probably this is a section of the fourth wave of a higher degree is because so you can see that this moved down, went into okay. What do I want to say now? No, that's it. I'll leave it now. Okay. So I'm going to say something that confuse you. I don't want to say anymore. All right. So this session here probably, all right, is a portion of the fourth wave higher degree, but understand that this is the fifth wave, the fifth mono wave, this session here, the red one, is the fifth mono wave of the third wave of a higher degree. So it's a little bit complex if you want to simplify, all right, if you want to identify the third wave of a higher degree. It has started here. Just going to zoom into it, all right. Dark green. So between the two green vertical line, we have our third wave of a higher degree. So if you want to see the internal wave, this is the first mono wave of that third wave of a higher degree, and this is the second mono wave of that third wave of a higher degree. The third mono wave of the third wave of a higher degree is also subdivided into 5 mono waves. So this is the first mono wave, second mono wave, third mono wave, and fourth mono wave, and the fifth mono wave, all right, of the third mono wave of the third wave itself. Are you confused? Don't get confused. So between these two black red lines, we have, all right, the third mono wave of the third wave. So here from here to here. That's the third minor wave of the third wave of a higher degree. That third minor wave of the third wave of a higher degree is also subdivided into 5 minor waves. 1, 2, 3, 4. What are we? 5. Now, again, 5, that's the minor wave. Okay, those are the minor wave of the third minor wave of the third wave. Then we have the fourth minor wave of the third wave itself, followed by the fifth minor wave of the third wave itself. Are you with me? So between the two black lines, we have the third minor wave of the third wave itself, which has been subdivided into 5 minor waves, followed by the fourth minor wave of the third wave and the fifth minor wave of the third wave. Now, probably, you see, I'm choosing my word carefully because we don't want to assume anything, and also that the fifth minor wave of the third wave can also be extended, Any impulse wave can be extended. Anytime we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 becomes 1. And we need to remember that a price going up, if the bullish momentum continues, we will have wave extension. The market environment, the market sentiment, the fundamental, all right, can make a stock continue to go up, creating an extension. So we count away today with the information that we have today. That's what we will say, but we don't want to forget that the price can continue. So what usually takes place, trader will quickly make a decision. I will sell and forget or something like that, or make all kind of deduction, which is okay. But after making those deductions, you want to put them aside, and then what do you need to do? Draw your channels. So for technical traders, after everything else, we have done our area wave analysis, all right, expectation of fourth wave of a higher degree, the fifth wave, knowing that the price can print something else that is not yet on this chart. We need to go to avoid trading mistakes, all right, or area wave trading mistake. We need to draw. So I have finished to analyze the area wave. So this is a short tutorial. So if you say fast, I may say that I have finished my Netflix analysis. So what we are doing now, this is just additional information that can make the video long. So don't think that the video is too long. So just draw channels now, all right. So I'll draw this point and this point. And then I'm going to choose one point here and draw a line that is parallel, okay, to the first one. All right, so we have, so connecting this point, 2015, and this point, 2016, we draw a line, and then we choose this point here, the top here somewhere, in August 2015, all right, and we connect it, we draw a line that's parallel. Now you will see that my projection for the fourth wave, expecting it to be shallow because the third wave has been prolonged. We expect a shallow, so that's 38.2% Fibonacci retracement of the whole third wave of a higher degree. So from here all the way up here. Today, with the information that we have, the 38.2% is ending here. Drawing this channel, that will be a place that we need to watch. Anytime we have a channel, all right, we need to always remember, if you don't want to draw it, that's fine. Remember that always there is a media line, so can go a little bit below to retest or even come here, all right, that remain to be seen, but you don't want to assume anything. Now you concentrate on the price action after you have done your forecast, and you take it one step at a time to avoid technical trading mistake, combining your wave count with market geometry, all right. So this is it. So this will conclude our discussion today about fast area wave counts, Netflix, and area wave count tips and tricks. All right. If you have any question or suggestion, please put in the comment section. As I told traders, this year what I'm trying to do is that I want to analyze American stocks. All right. So please. But that's not the only thing we're going to do, but that will be the main thing that we'll be doing. So trader, you want us to analyze an American stock belonging to the NASDAQ 100, Dow Jones, S&P 500, all right? I'm not going to do ETF or anything else. It's going to be stock only. So put in a comment section like this gentleman did, all right? Thank you very much for asking this question. So I will record a video that trader have asked me to record. So American stock, I will do, you look at it, you say, okay, Joy, can you look at this one and analyze it? Because I have a data for a NASDAQ 100, for the Dow 30 and also for the S&P 500. Those are the things I'm going to do. I will also do for Forex, of course. Okay, currencies, I will do that also. So this is it. So the currency, there's not much data. I don't have enough data for currency at the moment. I don't know why. Before I used to have a lot of data. So I will be quite reluctant to analyze currency at this stage because we don't have enough data. We need to have enough data if you want to perform an accurate, okay, Elliott wave analysis. So like this, you project the channel, the direction of the price, all right, using the width of the original channel. You can project it down more, all right, to have one more here. All right, and then you want to trade around the edge of those line, okay, using what we call a different time frame trading method. And remember, though this is about Netflix, the first thing that we are trading is the S&P 500, and you need to combine that with the Netflix Elliott wave analysis. So you are paying attention to the S&P 500, and you are aligning it with the Netflix stock Elliott wave analysis. All right. So thank you very much. All right. So if you find this video useful, please let us know by sticking your beautiful thumbs up. If you dislike it, please mark it down. If you think this is an essential tutorial, feel free to share with your friends on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, feel free to subscribe to our channel. All right. Talk about us in the forum. Tell traders that trading American stock that they can now ask us, and then we'll look at it and record all those videos for you. All right. So subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the GSTW24 traders talking about fast Elliott wave counts, Netflix, and Elliott wave count tips. This video was recorded today because a YouTube subscriber did ask me to look at Netflix stock. This is exactly what we have done today. This video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell a Netflix stock. Happy trading to you all, and I will speak to you soon. Thank you for watching.